Kidokhoja Federation of All Schools of Meghalaya hak arpu artrik ulaber ahaja arpu ar kila Iai Bteng namar ke jingsngap kuman jaka Sorkar halor ke Jingdawa Jong ki ban kentiu kedan no ek school ad hoc shaki school deficit. Kini ke Iai Bteng kelas dang na Raj Bhavan balapan kut Hamadan Malki. Uba Mebon Lingdo executive member jaka Fastom uloang bagani ke Jingiakhih kan Iai Bteng kat baka Sorkar kampat sengap ik Jingdawa Jong ki. Ula penting bru banado kasengi balang jaka tayo sangut na kinoi kai kinsyong manla kasengi hakmat jaka office jong ke embos kum gadak bat pen kan mau ik Jingdawa Jong ki.
So the reason why we are having this peaceful protest, it is just exemplary of and symbolic that we want to send a message to the government that yesterday's general meeting is not over yet. So we are continuing our agitation. We will continue again. Today we are having a peaceful protest. Tomorrow we will have a sit-down protest at the MBO's office right from 11 p.m. till 3 p.m. Or 11 a.m. sorry, 11 a.m. till 3 p.m. And we will sit there every single day, rotational, with 5 teachers. So we do not also want to disturb the board examinations that is going on. Therefore, we from the teaching community, we have decided that we will have 5 teachers who will sit there rotationally. So it will not be the same teachers who will be sitting there. Some of us might be sitting there like continuously, but all the other 4 teachers will sit rotationally. And we also want to send a message to the government that you should not take it lightly just because we are not really going full swing. We are not really thinking about the government right now, but we are thinking about the students that we are teaching. And we have this responsibility in our shoulders that in this tussle, in this tug of war between the teachers and the government, the students should not get affected. However, we also have a very clear message to send to the government that the moment April arrives, if the government does not take any immediate action, we are going to launch a full agitation and it will be on full strength. We will launch agitation in all the different districts of the state. We will have agitation right here in Shillong as well. Whether we get permission or not after April, not after March, sorry, when April arrives, whether the government gives us permission or not, that will not be something that we should worry about anymore. But we will go full on, full strength.